Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Zaim Hakim, and now our group will present about the project 2 or the continuation of the project 1, which is the Pizza Express. For the overview of the system or the project, you can see it just same as before. Like this one that you see, the splash screen that we had some loading bar and timer. And then after the screen loads, it will show the index form or the main form, as we call Pizza Express form. You can see there are menu strip in this top and also two button in this bottom. These two buttons have their own functionalities, same as the menu strip, also have their own functionalities that can be used on the form. And after clicking the order now, it will show the menu order, which is it shows the menu list. It contains the customer details group or the group box, and also the menu list group box that you can put some details of your own or the customer in this customer details, and also menu list. You can choose your own menu as you desire. And then there are also three buttons that they have their own functionality, same as the menu strip. And then after clicking checkout, it will show the checkout form, which is it contains the summary label like this one, and also two buttons that have their own functionality like confirm order that can confirms your order, and also on the menu strip. But this one you can see there are some addition. This the database, which means we add the database on the project. You can see also on this solution explorer there are two database. You can see two types, data source and also the database. But we put it on the other form, and you can see it is the form that we put the database, which means when the customer put their orders or put their information and choosing the orders, after they click the checkout button, it will appear in this database for something like that. And then it done for the database. And then after checking the database, when we click the confirm order, it will show some approximately two message box, and then print dialog to print the receipt of your summary information like this one. It will just print, and that's all for the overview of the system on this project. I will give to the my other teammates.
My name is Kamal Kumaresan. My metric is 01DDT 23F169. So in this video, I'm going to explain about the object control implementation, which is question B. So in the object control, which is in the first form, we add the order now button and the exit button. So this is below. This is the coding of our. So this is the coding. So in the formal coding, we enter the exit button, which is the mid or close, and the button order we put the message box when you are selected. Yeah, click the yes, and if the yes, the this page will hide and open the second page, and open the third page. Okay, so and show the customer's order, and if the user select no, and it will show the go read your TNC notice button. So this all the terms and conditions also same as this one. They got the menu strip item in this way, and here this one once you can exit or change the color. And for the second form, this is splash screen, and whenever you click the form one, when you move into the menu list, which is the third form. So in the third form, the user need to enter their name, number, email, and their pizza quantity, and this all. So here we put the button clear, button checkout, and button check price. So in this check price, the button show to once the user enter this all, when you click the check price, it will show the price below here to display the total amount of the price that the quantity the user chose. And the checkout, when you click the checkout, it move into the next which is the form 4. So before that, I explain the coding. So in this coding, in this coding, for the button checkout, so when the user they fill the all details, so it will show the, if the user haven't filled out, it will show the please fill in all required the files, and input show the errors. And when the disk check, when the membership is yes or no, when yes, it will show the name, number, and final price all. So and then it will show the result as the issue want to proceed confirmation. Then if you click the yes, it will set the order in the database of the form 5. And otherwise, if they click the no, it will check out the, it will hide this page and move to the form 4, which is the next page, and checkout it will show. So if else if he enters the no, it will please consider your checking your orders, which shows. And save order to database. Whenever he check out it, this database will save into the form 5. So this one is a button clear. When you click the button clear, this all details will be clear. And button price check. Whenever the user enter the price tag, it will show the price of the total quantity the user chose. So, and then the terms and condition, preference to menu strip, and combo box category is the pictures that we enter, we put on the picture box. So for the form 4, this is the form 4. Once you enter the name all details in the form 4, this all the show the all the customers details. So here we got two buttons, which is the back and confirm order. So back, confirm order. So in this coding, okay, so in the form 4 coding, which is button confirm. Whenever you confirm, click the button confirm, it will print out the message box as are you sure want to proceed. And if yes, it will thank you for choosing, it show the message and your order will be printed. So it will directly move into the print document. And then if the print dialog shows, then it will print out and it will close. So as if we choose the no, then it will print out the please consider checking your orders consideration. And capture form image, which is used for the print the details, and print document is used to graphic. The button 1, which is the button back, it will show the form 3. Whenever the user click the button back, it will go to the form 3 and this form will be hide. So same this on the form load, it will show the variable name, this all will display, and that's all from this form. And once is they got a manuscript, they have a database. So whenever you click the database, it will show the 5th form, which is the database of the user entered, this one. So it will show the database of the users that he entered. So once you click the back, the form 5 will go to the form 4. So that's all from the question B.
And now for the menu and submenu section, message box, input box, and dialog box section, I will show the thing. As you can see, the menu ones and also the submenu. The form of this, you can see there are two submenu, which is customer details and menu list. The customer details, you can put some your information like name, number phone, and also email. And then on the menu list, you can choose your own favorite pizza, which is you can see this our pizza that we can offer, and put some quantity. Check the box if you have a membership, and also show the price if you click the check price button. There are also some input box like combo box, text box, the check box, and also the label that we show out. And then for the message box, you can see we put several message box. For the first one, we can see the notice, which is the give you some information that you will subjected to know the terms and conditions. If you say no, it will give warning and say that you need to read terms and apply or TNC. But if you click yes, it will go towards to the menu order. And then when you in the menu order, you can see if you didn't put any of the data, it will show the input error or the message box input error that refers the error of the required fields that you didn't fill. Same as the check price, if you click, it will show the warning dialog, which is it can't count the price since you didn't pick any type of pizza, and also tell the quantity of you want. Then if you put like this, you can see that you put the data, and then if you click the check price, it will show this, only the price. But if you click checkout, it will show some dialog box, not dialog box, but message box. There are the confirmation ones, which is asking you, are you sure you want to proceed? If you click no, it will show the consideration, or I just call it the warning, which means they want you to consider checking the orders. If you really want to confirm the order, you just can click yes, and then it will show another message box that will success to put the data or the information towards the database, which is it shows order successfully, order ID 1. And click OK, it will show this, the checkout one, which is show the summary. If you click the confirm order, it will show the confirmation, same as before. But if you click no, also same. It will just say consider your checking orders. If you click yes, it will show the thank message, the message box, which means it just appreciate about your stuff that you do in the app. And then click OK, it will show notice that your order will be printed, which is the message box that shows the notice. And then for the dialog box, for the dialog, this is the dialog print, as you can see on the form 4 that shows print document and also print dialog. We just put the print dialog. You can see this. It only can print into PDF, the only that we can put, since it's too complex to put into other stuff. And we click print, it will show this message box, which means it says it print one document. And then you can just save it. And it's all done. And that's all from me about the menu, submenu, message box, input box, and dialog box. I will give it the other things to my teammates.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Faiman bin Abdul Hakim. Nombor matrix 01 DDT 23F1062. Okay, di sini saya akan membentangkan tentang project presentation nombor 2. Okay. Part saya ialah soalan D, sub procedure and function procedure. Soalan H, ada code explanation, dan soalan I, any additional features available. Okay, first kita akan jawab soalan D dulu, sub procedure. Okay. Sub procedure ni kita orang punya projek ni tak ada langsung tentang penggunaan function procedure, just sub procedure je. Itu sub procedure ni dalam kita orang punya ni just macam dia tak returnkan apa nilai, macam button confirm, tu macam me height, me dot height, tu form 5.show, macam tu lah. Dan dekat form lain pun sama je.
Nama saya Muhammad Iskandar Abdul Rahman, nombor matrix 01 DDT 23F1174. So saya akan bercakap pasal database. Nama database kami ialah PizzaDB, dan dalam tu ada table nama order. So dalam table tu ada attribute nama, order ID, data type ni ialah INT, data bulan 6. Order ID ialah primary key. Kemudian ada customer name dan N+100, dan boleh ada nama. Kemudian customer number N+50, customer email N+100, kemudian pizza type N+50, kemudian quantity INT, kemudian membership bit. Sebab apa kami gunakan bit untuk sebagai data type untuk membership? Kerana cara kami masukkan data untuk membership ialah dengan menggunakan checklist, dan bit lebih sesuai sebagai data type untuk checklist. Kemudian data type ialah price. Kami gunakan data type ialah float kerana lebih sesuai untuk masukkan data berkaitan dengan wang. Okay, kat sini saya akan masukkan data-datanya ialah so saya dah masuk semua data, dan saya akan tekan check out. Yes, kemudian kat sini data tu dah tersimpan dalam database. Dekat order ID yang kelima. Ni saya untuk tengok data tu ada ke tak, tekan database, dan data kat sini akan keluar. So ya, order ID yang 5 yang saya masukkan ialah order ID 5 dan customer name Iskandar. Semua kat sini ada. Masuk quantity, membership, price, pizza type, customer email, customer number, customer name dan order ID. So kat sini kita boleh nak tambah lagi data, contoh nama so selepas masuk data kita boleh save ataupun kita boleh delete data sebelum-sebelumnya. Kemudian untuk exception handlingnya kat sini, kalau user dia tak masukkan data kat non-value, contoh non-value ialah order ID. Kalau data tu tak dimasukkan, kemudian message akan keluar iaitu please input detail.
Now I'm going to explain about the question G. It is the show the customer's full process system. So once in the form 2, which is I click the order now. So here the menu list. So now as a customer I want to enter the details. So now for example I enter my details, and for example I enter the numbers and email. So whenever the customer order, they should enter their details for order purpose. So here select the pizza. They got a variety of pizzas. So either you can choose by the picture below shown. So now I'm going to choose the Hawaiian style pizza, which is I want the 2 quantity of the pizza, and I'm the membership of the Pizza Express. So now I'm going to check the price. So when I click the check price, it will show the 45 ringgit 60 cents for the 2 Hawaiian style pizza. So once I enter the checkout, it will show the message box, which is the show want to the proceed the confirmation. So when I click the yes, and the order ID will be saved. Okay, so now this one will be show this one my information which is I entered. So once confirm order, this one proceed, and this one thank you message, and it will show the printout. So this is the print preview. So either if customer wants to print, they also print. If they don't want, they just cancel. So far that's all from me. Thank you.
Soalan H ada code explanation. Ini simple je, macam kita orang ada tambah untuk ni untuk user isi orang punya information. Macam user nak isi information, tu dekat sini untuk button untuk tekan close, tu ni untuk okay, ini coding untuk tukar warna, user boleh tukar warna background. Tu ini untuk contoh untuk pilih pilihan macam tu. Okay, dan untuk soalan terakhir iaitu I, any additional features available. Macam kita akan klik sini, kita orang punya ni itu saya letak file number, letak user punya maklumat, user boleh pilih visa dia, titik, kalau ada membership boleh tick, dan check price dia 90%, itu user boleh check out. Ni salah satu contoh kita orang punya additional features, itu boleh keluar pop up macam ni. Order save, okay, ini kita nombor 1, and ini kita punya receipt, and boleh tekan kita orang juga buat additional features untuk button exit. Kalau untuk user nak keluar kat sini boleh tukar warna background. Itu kalau tekan database boleh masuk ke dalam database, boleh tengok, user boleh tengok dia order dia nombor berapa, macam tu. Okay, kita back, cepat balik. Okay, lepas tu kita orang juga tambah features untuk print receipt. Okay, ada logo ni pula. Untuk print receipt tu kat ni, okay. Receipt, banyak lagi lah kita orang buat. Okay, itu saja daripada kita orang. Terima kasih.